Hello and welcome to my channel. Power tapping. I don't know if everybody knows what that means. What you do is you just put the tap right in the drill chuck, turn it on, and just jam this thing right into the moving part. What I did is made some blanks with the proper size tap drilled hole. This is for a number 832, which is the coarse thread. Then I went to a number 1024, another coarse tap, and a quarter 20. Then I went with a 5/16 18, and last 3/816. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but what do you say we go over to the lathe and try this out, starting with the smallest one. Let's do that. Number one with the 832. Success. Number two, 1024. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Success. Okay, quarter 20. Looks like it did it. The 5/16 18. Seems like it did it. Here we go. The 3/816. It ain't gonna do it, no matter how much speed. It really doesn't have the power to pull that chuck through or tap through. That was a lot of work for this little machine. So I accomplished what I set out to do, have a little fun, power tapping. So until next time, enjoy.